Good morning world, how you doing guys? Today we are in Kintamani actually. Let me know if you know Kintamani. If not, this is great opportunity for you to know more about Kintamani. It's a beautiful place. This is volcano behind us. And we are in a very nice cafe as well, because Kintamani now is famous for the cafes, right?
Oh, now in every single corner you will find so many Instagrammable coffee shop and restaurant overviewing the Mount Batur and the lake, over there. And yeah, so today we will just take you to escape from hustle and bustle life in the South Bali. We take you to the north, not north, kind of the middle, a little bit middle and east Bali. So yeah, for those of you who never been to Kintamani, for the new subscribers, we'll take you here to, take you to relax a bit and chill. Okay guys, so like we explained before, there are so many nowadays Instagrammable restaurant overlooking the Mount Batur and the Lake Batur. So just like this place is called Okuta, I can see that from the design behind me, you see like the furnitures, the architecture of the place is modern look. It's just like inside the cave, like the building like this, but overviewing the Mount Batur. And yeah, so today we decided to have a breakfast here. Long trip from Sanur is about how many hours? 2 hours, yeah, Hania, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, we decided to have a break here and enjoying breakfast. It's so lovely time because normally it's rainy season nowadays, but you see, it's bright and sunny days. So happy. So yeah, I will show you and how it is the menu. Maybe for those of you who have been asking, how is the price? If the place like this, probably you're thinking is, it's a bit pricey or something like that. I'll show you.
So this is our food. I have a salmon scrambled egg croissant with hot cappuccino, obviously, and Sayang have, what is it actually?
Eggs Benny.
Eggs Benny, right? Oh,
yes.
Looks very beautiful with the tea. By the way, look at the pot. So chanting, beautiful, isn't it?
It's very Instagram worthy. For those of you who really, love Instagram, look at the plating style. It's so nice. And I'll show you the menu, how it is. Maybe you are curious about the price. They selling the Western menu, and also they selling Asian Indonesian menu here. You see,
it's the price is like this one, all something between 4-5 US.
Yes, and
really not so bad.
And the coffee price also is very affordable, and they have a very beautiful cakes there in the display.
We're gonna go for one for dessert, for sure, yeah. And guys, I'm really surprised that they have a salmon here. Salmon is pretty rare in Bali, but in Kintamani, they have to like bring it from south, somewhere from Kuta or somewhere, and it's very fresh and it's very tasty.
Yeah, and Kintamani is actually famous for the fresh tilapia fish, but they have salmon. It's nice.
Really nice touch. And guys, if you are craving for some Western breakfast, Western food, with the view overlooking the volcano or stuff like this one, highly recommend it. I really like it, especially the croissant with salmon. So good. How is your egg Benny? Nice?
Nice, nice. But this one the sauce is a bit spicy.
And no nasi for breakfast today? Well, enjoy, Saya. Check this out. This flies over here. What are you doing, Saya?
Just shooing the flies. Well, basically that because of this, I think this month is the fruit season, mango season. So the flies is everywhere. So make sure that whenever you come to the restaurant, they will give you the candle like this to shoo away the flies.
The flies, because many of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, many.
The food, so good. It's 5-star food. And overall, it's super cool. Only the flies.
It looks so funny. Okay, let's eat this one first.
Okay guys, so this is how is the trend nowadays in Kintamani. Wherever you go from one spot to another spot will be, coffee shop, Instagrammable coffee shop. Maybe whenever you come to Kintamani long time ago, maybe 10 years ago, you only find like buffet restaurant overviewing the Mount Batur. But now Kintamani has changed a lot. There are so many coffee shop, Instagrammable, place to eat, and seems like many local customers, international customers still there. I mean, coming to Kintamani just to have a coffee, enjoying the beautiful panorama, and yeah, this is how it changed. Looks more modern and fancy.
Also, Kintamani is famous for these cars, old safari, driving around. You can buy the tours everywhere around. Seems like mostly local people actually. But yeah, it's so cool. Oh, he is overtaking the people driving.
Oh, look at behind you, baby.
What's going on?
Wow.
Oh, so many actually. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Yo.
Oh, people waving at you
Yeah,
as well.
I see. Yo.
Oh.
Yo. And this one is like army style. So many, hey? Also, you can find a little warung selling the jeruk, which is the orange, local orange. But over there is the huge restaurant. That was the name. I cannot see. It's like Celera restaurant or something, which is totally abandoned right now, closed. Long time ago, maybe 10 years ago, it was very popular for the tourists, especially driving with organized the tours, big buses, or also with the local drivers. They're gonna bring you here, but currently it's closed and totally abandoned and nothing is going on around, and everybody moved into going into the modern new cafes, having coffee, cakes, and all of stuff like this. And also this lady can sell you the orange or banana, which is very characteristic attraction, tourist attraction in Bangli, in Kintamani, guys. So this is the actually abandoned restaurant. As you can see, we get closer. That was the name of the Puli Celera restaurant, Kintamani, Bali. It's totally abandoned. I'm gonna have a look little bit deep inside. Winnie is behind, he's scared of the ghosts and stuff like this, so you stay there. There's the guy trying to sell you something even here. I'm gonna have a little look around. As you know, looks like this one. Pretty scary actually, I'm gonna tell you. Maybe I'm gonna get inside. So that's everything over here. It was open like 10 years ago, but it's totally abandoned right now. And that was probably the tables, the picture place overlooking the volcano, but little bit in different way. Also, I'm gonna have a look. If I'm already here, I wanna show you. This is like a top floor, totally abandoned, guys. Pretty sad story. Pretty sad, but that's how does it look like. It's a little bit scary actually, especially for Winnie, could be scary. So even this old classic Corolla is abandoned over here. So as we said with Winnie, everything is changing currently. The old place is becoming like abandoned, and the new place is closed with the different concept, modern concept, right?
Yes.
Because all of these cafes are like totally modern, nothing like 50 years ago, right? So that's how the Kintamani is changing currently.
So all Bali overall changing, guys.
Everywhere, not only like Canggu or Ubud or Uluwatu, but even Kintamani, right? So yeah, that's how it is.